Bitcoin Daily Analysis Date, July 24, 2026. Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin market update. Bitcoin is continuing to trade in a decisive area where both bulls and bears are fighting for short-term control. After several days of strong volatility, the market is now attempting to establish a clearer direction. While buyers are still defending important support levels, sellers remain active whenever price approaches major resistance. Looking at the daily chart, Bitcoin is still maintaining its medium-term bullish structure. Higher lows continue to suggest that long-term investors remain confident, although momentum has slowed compared to the previous rally. This type of price action is common after a significant move upward, as the market pauses before deciding its next trend. On the technical side, the 50-day moving average continues to act as dynamic support. As long as Bitcoin remains above this level, the broader trend stays positive. However, if price closes below this support with strong selling volume, we could see a deeper correction before buyers return. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently sitting around the neutral zone. This tells us that the market is neither extremely overbought nor oversold. In other words, there is still room for a significant move in either direction depending on upcoming buying or selling pressure. Trading volume has decreased slightly compared to earlier this week. Lower volume often indicates that traders are waiting for a catalyst before making larger positions. This could come from macroeconomic news, institutional investment activity, or changes in market sentiment. One important factor to watch is whether Bitcoin can break above its recent resistance zone. A successful breakout supported by high volume could trigger another wave of buying and potentially push the market toward new local highs. On the other hand, repeated rejection at resistance may encourage short-term traders to take profits, leading to another pullback. Market sentiment also remains cautiously optimistic. Institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to support the long-term outlook, while retail investors appear to be returning gradually as volatility decreases. Historically, periods of consolidation often precede strong trending moves, although predicting the exact timing is impossible. For swing traders, patience remains important. Entering positions only after confirmation of support or resistance breaks may reduce unnecessary risk. Chasing large candles often results in poor entries, especially in highly volatile markets like cryptocurrency. For day traders, monitoring lower time frames for volume spikes and momentum changes can provide better opportunities. Risk management should remain the priority, with stop-loss orders placed according to each trader's strategy rather than emotion. Looking ahead over the next several days, the bullish scenario remains valid if Bitcoin continues holding above key support and buyers successfully reclaim higher resistance levels. In that case, momentum could accelerate once again. However, if sellers gain control and push the market below recent support, a larger correction could develop before the longer-term uptrend resumes. As always, remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. No single indicator guarantees future price movement, and every trade involves risk. Combining technical analysis with proper money management is always more effective than relying on predictions alone. Thank you for watching today's Bitcoin Daily Analysis for July 24, 2026. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Bitcoin market analysis. Stay safe, trade wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.